Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you probably get lost in the worlds of your favorite games, dreaming of creating your own. Well, I've been working on something that I'm really excited to share with you. It's a project that combines my passion for game design with all the knowledge I've picked up over the years. Introducing the Getting Started with a Game Design, a Beginner's Handbook. This isn't just a book, it's a guide that will help you understand the core principles that make amazing games tick. We'll dive deep into the mechanics, the world building, the storytelling, the UI, and so much more. Now, this handbook is designed for absolute beginners, so if you're just start dipping your toes into the world of game design, or if you're just an avid player who wants to learn the how and why of good game design, this is for you. We'll be exploring things like how to build immersive game worlds that suck player right in, how to create those addictive gameplay loops that keep people coming back for more, how to balance challenge and reward to keep everyone engaged and not frustrated, and we'll explore design choices of some of the best games of all time. Now, I know what you're thinking, when can I get my hands on it? And here's the thing, it's not quite finished yet. I'm putting the finishing touches on it to ensure it delivers the kind of value that is worthwhile. Make sure you don't miss out this book, hit the subscribe button and also make sure to click that notification bell icon so you will be notified once I've put the finishing touches and you'll be among the first to know when it's finally released. I'm so excited for you to join me on this journey of demystifying the world of game design, and I can't wait to see the amazing things you'll create. If you're excited, drop a comment below and let me know what aspects of game design you are most eager to learn more about. So subscribe now, get ready to level up your game design knowledge, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya, bye bye.